Hey guys, I'm Mikey with Motors Northwest. Today we're going to be showing you how to be changing out your wiper blades. Winter season's coming soon and it rains a lot in Washington State, so we're going to be ready for the road. This is how we're going to start off. We're going to go ahead and pop up your wiper blades to begin with. I kind of already started the prep work. As you can see, we have a bad wiper blade, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. Typically with these, you can go ahead and pop them up. You're going to go ahead, carefully sit yours down. You'll go ahead and lift. You'll pull the little pin and it should slide right off like so. You'll go ahead and open your new hardware. Now be advised, when you're looking for wiper blades, you need to make sure that you check out the sizes. The passenger side is always going to be smaller than the driver's side in most cases with most cars. So as you can see, for our driver's side, we have a brand new 26 size, and then we have an 18 size for the passenger size. And just for comparison purposes, you can see the major difference and why they need to be replaced. So we're going to throw these new ones on. You'll throw your old ones aside. You'll grab your new hardware. We'll go ahead and have it facing the same way as it was before. So the hook will go into the slot. We will hook it in the slot and it'll lock in place. Once it locks in place, check to make sure that it is actually there, and you'll put it down after we put the other one first. Have the same slot. If you put it this way, it's just not going to work. It's going to be blocked, so you got to follow the slot. Put it into the slot, lock it into place. You heard it click. Go ahead and put it down. New wiper blades are installed and you're ready for winter time.